We're going to try to break this old washer. Like throw stuff into it. Dad's gonna get it. We gotta put the hose and crap in there. It stinks so bad. There, got that crap. You get. Oh, we're gonna leave that stuff in there because I'm gonna throw a bunch of crap in there. Is it on spin? I'm gonna put it on the spin. Here's the old one. Here's the new one. There's an agitator that goes.
Oh, what do you got?
What? This thing's locked up. How does it work? Do you unhook the pump?
What?
It's trying to spin. When? Is it trying to do it? Here it goes. Yeah. I'm so proud of you, baby. It can get fast. This is how fast it will go. Let's go throw some crap in here. What is it doing? Come on. What do I throw in there? I'm gonna throw stuff that will make it go off balance. Yeah. I wanna make it. Oh crap, I wanna make it go super off balance. I'm gonna put a bunch of stuffed animals in there. It's gonna go super. It's shaking, so here, bring this container over here. Look at it. It's super off. Do this go in there? No. Nope, this doesn't go in there. It's plastic. This guy can't. Oh! Dang, I just threw a hat small. It's super off balance. This old washer is doing so good. It's so off balance. Look. Ugh. It's baggy. Is that light? Look at it. At least it's tied to a thing. There. What else is there? else is there? What is it doing? Oh, yeah, what did it do?
Shut down.
I don't know what to do. It's not working. I'm trying to help it.
Put your fingers around there.
Look at that! The old one. So shitty.
Showing it? Show it.
Look. Wait, I'm gonna put like both. Show this one. Here's this one. This thing's going so fast. Going really off balance. It's shaking so much. I need. Keep me the power.
What?
Scared me.
Who?
The bird.
Mm.
Keep This thing gonna burn up.
Probably.
Look at all this.
I wouldn't burn it up until summertime. No.
I wanna let it see this.
I wouldn't let it get too hot. You know, make it too hot, it won't work. We won't be able to take it outside and play.
Yeah, see what it does,
It's not sounding good.
stuff out and then put these in there.
So I stop it?
No! We're taking all this out.
Here, put them back in here.
But I want to try to make it not off balance. So that I can go there. And Hasbro has to go like this guy gotta go here. And we have I go some stuff. Where do we put this?
I think you got a lot of stuff in there already.
Huh. Now we're ready him to start it up. Is it gonna work? Oh. Wait. Dang, I stopped on accident.
Careful, watch your fingers. I think it's overheating.
Huh?
I think it's overheating.
It's overheated? Can you touch it?
No.
You have to unplug it? You have to unplug it?
Just hit that switch.
Where? How?
So it pops.
It's
Top
black?
switch. Yeah. There you go.
Touch it. It's hot. Touch it.
You don't want to touch it.
Is it hot?
Yeah, it's warm. Yep.
Where? It ain't that warm yet. I'm gonna turn it on.
You hit the bottom?
And I'm gonna make it a little bit more. I'm gonna make it so off balanced. It's gonna be super off balance. And here he goes. Hold on. It has to do it. It's back and forth cycle.
I guess. We'll find out. I think it's just overheated. It needs a rest. It needs a long rest.
Don't fall, Hasbro.
It's like, I think I can, I think I can, I think I can. Yeah, it needs a rest or you're going to burn the motor up.
Should we just take
It needs to cool down for a while.
here? Can we just take all the stuff out and let it?
Put it back in here. Is that where this goes? No, that
Yeah.
goes back there. This was up top, wasn't it? Was it in here? Or was
It's
it
all
top?
in here.
Is that what you wore to school today? Huh?
Yep.
Look sharp, man. Look sharp. My gloves don't go there. This doesn't go there.
There's another glove
Where's that glove at?
right here.
No glove, no love.
Cat can go in there. Dang it! But we can't spin the dang washing machine because it's a jackass.
It's locked up.
It's a locked up dick.
Here, try it. Want me to end this now? It's going
No.
on 15 minutes. It's pretty long.
And it.